How to make money with Amazon Associates. Today, we're diving deep into the world of passive income with Amazon Associates. That's right, we're talking about making money while you sleep, all thanks to the power of affiliate marketing. Now, if you've got a website, a blog, or even just a decent social media following, you've got the potential to tap into this incredible income stream. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to break down everything you need to know to get started with Amazon Associates step by step so you can start seeing those commissions rolling in. Let's get started. But before we continue, if you like this video, please remember to share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then watch some more of our videos. Signing up for success. Your Amazon Associates journey begins. This is the first step towards turning your online presence into a revenue-generating machine. Alright, so you're ready to jump into the world of affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates? That's fantastic. It's a great way to monetize your content and earn some extra income. The first step is getting yourself signed up, and trust me, it's way easier than you might think. You don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. Just head over to the Amazon Associates website and look for that sign up button. It's usually pretty hard to miss. It's prominently displayed to make the process as smooth as possible. I'll put a link in the description below too, to make it easy for you. Now, they're going to ask you for some basic information about yourself and your online presence. This includes your name, address, and details about your website or app. Don't worry, they're not trying to steal your identity or anything. They just want to make sure you're a real person with a real website or app. It's all about ensuring a trustworthy network. Be sure to give them accurate details about your site, like what it's about, how much traffic you get, and how you plan to promote those Amazon products. This helps them understand your potential as an affiliate. Once you've filled everything out, just hit submit and let Amazon work its magic. The process is quick and straightforward. They'll review your application, and as long as your website is up to par, meaning it's not full of spam or anything shady, you'll be approved in no time. And then, you're all set to start earning. Your secret weapon: generating those money-making affiliate links. Congratulations, you're officially an Amazon Associate. Now the fun really begins. Once you're approved, you'll get access to the Amazon Associates dashboard, and this is where the magic happens. You'll find all sorts of tools to help you create those all-important affiliate links. We're talking text links, image links, you name it, Amazon's got it. The best part is you can create links for virtually any product on Amazon's massive marketplace. Found a killer deal on a new coffee maker you think your audience would love? Boom! Create an affiliate link and share it with the world. Each link you create will have a special tracking code embedded in it, so Amazon knows to give you credit for any sales that come through your unique link. It's like having your own personal sales force working for you 24/7. Spreading the word, strategic promotion for maximum earnings. Okay, so you've got your shiny new affiliate links, now it's time to unleash them on the world. But hold on, before you go spamming every social media platform you can find, let's talk strategy. The key to success with Amazon Associates is all about targeted promotion. Think about it, you wouldn't try to sell ice to Eskimos, right? The same principle applies here. You want to make sure you're promoting products that are actually relevant to your audience. If you've got a blog about sustainable living, for example, it makes sense to promote eco-friendly products from Amazon. Integrate those affiliate links naturally within your content. Don't just slap them on at random. Make sure they add value and enhance the user experience. Remember, the goal is to build trust with your audience. When they see that you're genuinely recommending products you believe in, they'll be much more likely to click on your links and make a purchase. Chapter 4. Watching the money roll in. Understanding commissions and cookie duration. Now let's talk about the part you've all been waiting for: getting paid. With Amazon Associates, you earn a commission every time someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a qualifying purchase on Amazon. And the best part is, you don't just earn a commission on the product you link to, you get a commission on everything they buy within a certain time frame, usually 24 hours. So, let's say you're promoting a new blender and someone clicks on your link, heads over to Amazon, and decides to buy not just the blender but also a new set of mixing bowls and a cookbook. Guess what? You get a commission on all of it. Now, commission rates do vary depending on the product category. You might earn a lower commission on something like electronics, and a higher commission on something like luxury beauty products. But hey, a commission is a commission and it all adds up. Chapter 5. Tracking your success. The power of the Amazon Associates dashboard. Alright, so the commissions are rolling in, but how do you keep track of it all? How do you ensure that you're maximizing your potential earnings and not leaving money on the table? Well, that's where the Amazon Associates dashboard comes in handy again. This thing is like your own personal money-making command center. You can log in anytime to see exactly how your links are performing. It's designed to give you a comprehensive view of your affiliate marketing efforts. We're talking detailed reports on clicks, conversions, and of course those sweet commissions. You can see which products are your top performers, which links are getting the most clicks, and even track your earnings over time. This kind of data is invaluable because it allows you to fine-tune your strategies and optimize your earnings. The dashboard provides insights that can help you understand your audience better and tailor your content to meet their needs. For example, if you notice that a particular product is doing really well, you might want to create more content around that product or promote it more heavily. On the other hand, if you see that a link is getting a lot of clicks but no conversions, it might be time to rethink your approach. Maybe the product isn't resonating with your audience, or perhaps the landing page needs improvement. The key is to use the data to make informed decisions that will boost your overall performance and earnings. Chapter 6. Playing by the rules. Staying compliant with Amazon Associates. Now, before you go off and become an affiliate marketing superstar, there's one more thing we need to talk about. Compliance. Amazon Associates has some rules and guidelines that you need to follow, and trust me, you don't want to mess around with these guys. These rules are in place to ensure a fair and transparent experience for everyone involved, from the marketers to the consumers. First and foremost, you need to be transparent about your affiliate relationships. That means disclosing to your audience that you may earn a commission if they make a purchase through your links. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. A simple disclaimer at the beginning or end of your content is usually all it takes. This builds trust with your audience and keeps you in good standing with Amazon. You'll also want to avoid any misleading or deceptive marketing practices. Don't try to trick people into clicking on your links, and don't make any false promises about the products you're promoting. Just be honest and upfront, and you'll be golden. Remember, your reputation is on the line, and maintaining integrity is key to long-term success. Finally, make sure you stay up to date on Amazon's policies because they can change from time to time. Regularly reviewing the guidelines will help you stay compliant and avoid any potential issues. It's a good idea to set a reminder to check for updates every few months. This way, you can ensure that your marketing practices are always aligned with Amazon's latest requirements. Outrow, start earning with Amazon Associates today. So there you have it. Everything you need to know to start earning passive income with Amazon Associates. Remember, the key to success is to choose products you believe in, promote them authentically to your audience, and always stay compliant with Amazon's guidelines. With a little effort and a lot of hustle, you can turn your website or social media following into a money-making machine. Now get out there and start earning. If you liked this video, please share it with your friends, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and watch more of our great videos. Thanks for watching.